Welcome to PPIM 2019. What a great show. We got a chance to meet with our customers and to connect and to collaborate, listen to their ideas, and share their experiences.
Vendors and operators get to share industry knowledge and lessons learned from the industry to help ensure pipeline safety and keeping the product in the pipe.
We love coming to PPIM every year. It's a chance for us to reconnect with our customers, to showcase new technologies and solutions, and it's a lot of work, but we have a really great time.
PPIM gives us the opportunity to interact with customers. It has given us a great chance to talk about our new standard closure. We have been able to explain to some of our customers the features, the advantages of a new D2000 closure.
I've been coming to PPIM for about almost 6 years. I think this is one of the best. What I like the most is seeing how our technology is developing every year and is getting better and better.